Hi everyone! Please join us as we continue our journey here in Heidelberg. And for today, we're going to the Heidelberg Schloss. Schloss Heidelberg pala. So I think it was in the afternoon when we went there. As you can see, Allison is already sleeping. When you ride the perk band, the one that I showed you in our last video, you can stop right here in this station to visit the Schloss Heidelberg. We were very lucky on that day because the weather was fine, it was so sunny, although it's warm, and we were still able to enjoy the beauty of the Schloss Heidelberg. Galing ni Kuya. Kuya, is that your car? Yes. Is Daddy the driver of your car? Kuya.
Wait.
This was another wow moment for us as we look in the stunning overlooking view here in the Schloss Heidelberg. From here we can have the aerial view of the old town of Heidelberg. Kuya Thirdy loved to blow some bubbles wherever we go. It was so relaxing to view this amazing place right here on top, and you can imagine all the things, beautiful things in your life, something like that. It's like you can reminisce your past, your happy memories with your friends and family. Emote lang, ganun.
Heidelberg na kami. Yung nakita doon sa may old bridge, doon sa Alpsbrücke. Yung sobrang init. Kala ko iiwan na doon. Here's the view. Ayan. May payong si Anna.
Now I know why it's listed as one of the most beautiful cities in Germany. I mean, look at this view. Wonderful.
So ito yung nakikita dun sa baba. There. Yung old bridge. There.
So this is the Alpsbrücke or the old bridge, the one that we had in our last video. Heidelberg Castle is a ruin in Germany and landmark of Heidelberg. The castle has only been partially rebuilt since its demolition in the 17th and 18th centuries. It is located 80 meters up the northern part of the Konigstuhl hillside and thereby dominates the view of the old downtown. It is served by an intermediate station on the Heidelberger Bergbahn funicular railway that runs from Heidelberg's Kornmarkt to the summit of the Konigstuhl. The earliest castle structure was built before 1214 and later expanded into two castles circa 1294. However, in 1537, a lightning bolt destroyed the upper castle. The present structures had been expanded by 1650 before damaged by later wars and fires. In 1764, another lightning bolt caused a fire which destroyed some rebuilt sections. Each year, Heidelberg Palace attracts around 1 million visitors from all over the world. Since the 19th century, these impressive ruins have been synonymous with Romanticism. The Heidelberg Tun, the statues on the facade, and the gardens of the palace are highlights of any visit.
Bayad pala.
Bye-bye.
May nag-check na tayo.
Hindi, yung ticket nga. Di ba yung ticket natin? Pwede yun.
Pwede ba yun?
Pwede. Pwede. Pwede.
Nasa iyo yung ticket. Apartado lang yun.
Pwede yun, di ba? Yung sinabi. Nasa iyo.
Nandito. Ayan.
O, try natin.
E panorama to.
Pwede, di ba sabi? O, try natin. O, tinan mo sila, o.
So for the entrance, we need just to present the same ticket that we purchased down to visit other attractions here in the Heidelberg Castle.
Ano meron dito sa gilid?
Out of sheer curiosity as to what the world's largest wine barrel looks like, we check out the Heidelberg Tun during our visit to Heidelberg Castle.
Wow, look at that big barrel, oh. Ang laki ng iba. Let's go, let's go. Go. Where do you want? Upstairs or?
Built from the trunks of 130 oak trees, the Heidelberg Tun is an enormous wine barrel capable of holding 219,000 liters of wine. But disappointingly for wine lovers, this wine barrel has not been used to store wine since the late 18th century. The current Heidelberg Tun is 8.50 meters deep and 7 meters high. On top of the barrel is a balustraded platform which was built as a dance floor. Yes, believe it or not. Although the barrel was usually only partially full, it did serve the purpose that it was built for, although not for very long. 10 years after the barrel was built, it began to decay and spring leaks. Last extensive repair was in 1767, and after that it was kept as an attraction for the visitors to the castle. And this ends our Heidelberg vlogs. Thank you for joining us and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Bye.